Hello, everyone in Temple Hills, Maryland. Hey, I want to let you know that 2515 Lime Street in Temple Hill is having an open house this Saturday and Sunday, February the 10th and 11th from 1 p.m. to 3 p.m. Now, you can get all the photos, prices, and details by texting the number that's located on the screen. Now, 2515 Lime Street, Temple Hill, Maryland, is a captivating home offering modern amenities and a comfortable living space. Its key features include a stylish interior with updated finishes, a spacious layout perfect for families or entertaining, and is minutes away from the 495 Beltway, the MGM, and the National Harbor. Now, you want to pay close attention to this. If you're a Temple Hills homeowner, now when this house is sold, you're going to want to know what your new home value estimate is going to be. So just go to the actual website that's located on this video to get your updated home value estimate now. I think you're going to like exactly what you see. This is Hwy Turner with Metro Area Development of North Realty, and I look forward to seeing you again soon.